login PC. Okay, now the login username is this, and the password is this. And before you leave, need you to turn off the PC. Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Chi. So I will be your trainers for 8 days. I have it, and this, as you heard from Sega, right? The total program is 40 days, which is running across 8 weeks. So I think over time there will be a few modules. Maybe you already get a curriculum. The curriculum that's sent to you, those are the topics we will cover. So later I will flash what I cover for the 8 days that I will cover. And then there will be next instructor coming in, and each of them will take some of the topics. Right? So hope you enjoy it. So anything that you do not understand and need help, to approach to ask questions. Only I think through asking questions, then we learn. And I would like more interactions. So don't be shy. So feel free. So that is the best way of doing it. Right? Okay, I just introduced myself. Right? I'm Chidi. Chidi No. Yong is my last name. So, sorry, this page is long. I need to fix this. My background, I also graduated from USM. So, I'm a Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics. So, I have more than 3 decades of industry training. In fact, I retired last year. So, and I took up become a trainer program, so I pick up the training stuff for this. Right? So I have 3 decades worked in Intel. So my past experience is in Intel, more experience in manufacturing and product development, right? And do work with the design engineers to ensure the product is equipped with manufacturability. So I'm the certified Synopsys trainer. Synopsys, just for you, is the EDA tool for your physical design that you will learn today, right, throughout this program. So Synopsys is one of the and I'm also when during my career in Intel, I also helped write the Intel Test Methodology Handbook, right? And I'm part of the chapters author, and I'm also off work, right? I participate in AI Elite Mastery Member. So what you participate here today, the Finance Chip Design Academy. I'm part of the trainers, and there are 5 trainers for this program. There are others in the PCBA Finance Chip Design Academy. Right? There are few others. Okay, right. So that is what I think my introduction. Maybe I just would like to walk through the room. Each of you introduce yourself, where you from, whether it's from university just graduate, right? And also share what you try to learn from name, from where, and what is your expectations? So, anyone want to go first?
Assalamualaikum everyone, good morning. My name is Washud, or you can just call me Q, it's my nickname. 26 this year, just graduated from Ravensburg Weingarten University, Germany, 2 weeks ago, and now I'm doing this training. I did PCB design for my bachelor's thesis, and I thought this IC design was a great connector to what I've done with my thesis, and I hope it can learn me a good job. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you for volunteer. Very good.
Should I pick someone?
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Aima. So today I will be doing this role. So previously, actually, I've been working with myself as a physical design engineer for 4 years. And currently I'm looking for a job because I was affected by the production and that's the reason why I'm here.
Okay. So you have some experience. So your colleagues are those friends that can ask. Right, thank you.
Hello. My name is Aris Nazira binti Bendisa. Kuliah di Aris. I come from Jakarta. For this, I'm a teacher and I get skills and get a job.
Okay. Right, thank you. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Right,
My name is Angel Yedikomeja and I also graduated from Unix and my major is computer engineering and I come here to gain experience.
okay, right, welcome.
Hello, my name is Yuki from Batu PN and I just recently completed my degree in electrical engineering from USF. So I'm trying this program just to learn new skills.
My name is Raj and from Batu PN. Recently graduated under electronic engineering and I come here so that I can get a job.
I appreciate the honesty.
Very good morning. My name is Su Chang Shen, so you can all address me as Su. Currently, I'm working at USD Global, just around here. And my expectation for this program is that I can absorb as much knowledge for physical design. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Wan Anas Shoki. You can call me Anas. I'm from Kelantan, graduate from UPM in 2022. Currently I'm working at USC Global, Service 2. My expectation from this program is, from this training is that the deeper understanding in the physical design and also how to debug any errors in the physical design.
So hi, I'm Shabil Duran. They call me Shabil. I'm from Penang. I just graduated from USM in electronics engineering. So for this program, I'm hoping to learn more about the back-end phase of the chip design. But for today specifically, I guess I just want to learn more about the ECL and VDA components.
Good morning, my name is Lukman. I came from Sungai Petani. I studied in electronics from UKM in Kulim. What I'm expecting today is I have to grasp more of the knowledge that I haven't heard of in physical design because previously what I studied for is more about the general design.
Okay, so thank you.
graduated from USM, so what I expected from this journey is, since I am a mechatronics student, so I've never heard of this computer design, just this place, so I think I want to learn more of that.
Hi everyone, I'm Joe from T3. Have 1 year experience in this field, and here to enhance my skill and yeah, nice to meet you all.
My name is Aaron. I'm also a physical design engineer from T3. So basically what I'm expecting from this course is to get to know a little more about this physical design, where I can touch, especially on the synthesis side. Thank you. How many years? 1 year. Yes.
Hi everyone, I'm Esther. I graduated from USM 2025, and currently I am a physical design engineer in T3, and I already have 1 year experience in this field, so my purpose is to learn more and strengthen my physical design skills. Yeah, that's all.
I'm usually graduated from Specific University for electronics engineering. So I expect to get more knowledge about
Hi, good morning. My name is Daniel. I am graduated from USM. In mechanical engineering, my aspect from joining this program is to learn more about IC design.
Hello everyone, my name is Zaid and I am graduated from the USM Dhaka in electrical engineering. For this program, I expected I have to gain more knowledge about this program because I newly learned of this IC design, because in my previous subject in design, I didn't know about the IC design. So here I am. I want to gain more knowledge and I want to explore about this IC design.
My name is Amin. I graduated from IUM in electronics engineering. So I hope from this program I managed to gain as much knowledge as possible on physical design. Because during my studies, IC design was not really the focus area during my studies. So I hope I can gain a lot of knowledge.
My name is Kwasati. I'm graduated from USM in electronic engineering, and I hope I can get more knowledge about physical design.
So yeah, in fact, the IC design is a front end of the semiconductor line, right? So you get to know how to design the whole chip, and you'll be part of the designer to generate this design and then productize. And you know, I think Malaysia is also started to want to increase the talent in the chip design, so that we can be more competitive in the world market. Okay, very good. Right. Okay, let me maybe move on, then I check this. Okay, just some ground rule for the practice session. So, I think the learning will be more effective if present. That means you stay engaged with the instructor. So so minimize the distractions. So your phone turn it to silence. If you need to answer with urgent, you can quietly walk out and answer. So ask questions. Feel free to ask anytime. But things keep the discussion concise. So the material will be shared to you in soft copy. But I want so no distribution, right? So whoever interested to join the class, just recommend them Sega and then try to sign. So basically no recordings. And this is also the platform for you to network, your friends, right? Connect with each other, share any things with learning, insight, exchange ideas. Okay, talk about code. Okay, so that's basically. So okay, well I need you guys to come to see whether the setup. Okay, on your computers, I need you to try do a remote desktop. You guys, anyone know this, right? Who have not used a remote desktop before? So you try remote in your computer. And research verify remote desktop. So don't enter this first. Okay, because I need to assign. Right. So, and everyone started, open up the remote desktop already? Right. Okay, maybe I could sign, okay, so why don't you count one? So remember your number.
11.
No, 13, 16, 17, 14.
So, okay, remember that's your number, right? So, if you are your username is eduser01, okay? And your password is that, and the server, follow this server, remember, take down the server. So, okay, this is up to 8. I reply. Next page. 9 to 16 is this server. Just now it's 05. And now from 9 to 16 is 4. 17 to 24 is server 3. Okay, so you need these 3 servers. So can you try remove? Okay, now turn it back. Okay, this one stays same. Right, this one, and then the password. So your server should be flagged up here. Everyone, anyone has any issue? Can everyone also. Don't need to specify username. Like this, right? Synopsis BSDC.org.9 :10371.
That doesn't work.
Let me see. All the server.
kat server kat komputer ni. Right, masuk same thing. Nombor apa tadi? 16 yang 03 4. Ikut lah. apa ESDC, EDA, dan username yang username we use this as our server, right? The computer, then we just follow through. We didn't use the we use this as the computer, so each and every one.
So who can you can write one question? Who still have difficulty? Who log in into the comma? I think already. Yeah. Okay. I think you already. Okay, right? Okay, so, okay, I think we try to solve my connection, right? So for every day, the class, you will have morning break, one morning break, then lunch break, then afternoon we also have a break. So, and our class will end at 5, right? But I try to so usually in the evening time or afternoon time, I try to eat the lab so that you guys can exercise. And once maybe tomorrow onwards, we will be able to give you so that you can use your desktop or laptop remote to the system to practice, right? That is also so at night you can practice login. So that is any questions on that? And maybe I just want to get a view of it. Anyone know what is the heard of Unix? Unix? Never. You have. There's some. How many? Maybe show up. How many use the Unix before? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6%. The rest never try Unix before. Okay. What about heard of the VI or VIM? VI here is not the solution. So okay, this will be our today topics. So Unix and VI. It will be the working environment for you to engage through the IC physical design. So okay, what about anyone use Windows before? Who don't know what is Windows? Microsoft Windows. You already walked in, right? So, and the one that you open, Alma Linux, that is Unix environment. But that is GUI. In fact, you use a lot of command line. Later I can explain more. So, and so, yes. Terminal, which terminal? You started terminal? Just try something. LS? Can you fix this? Okay, so I'm going to the Linux, or sometimes we call it Unix, Linux, and the VIS framework. Okay, my agenda will introduce introduction, then the lab PC, which is the lab PC in front of you, then how it works in a Unix environment, what are the main file management commands, then the topic is VI text editor. So this is the login screen in the new lab, but your login screen, I think you already done it, right? So remote desktop, everyone have been able to remote to the server, right? And the server that assigned to you. Okay. So any issue, and then the video, how to bring out terminals, everything okay? Okay. Good. So okay, so Unix is the command line management. Rather than using a window, you use a lot of mouse click, right? You seldom really, you want to see, okay, what are the files in the folder. You basically open up the Explorer or just show, right? But in Unix, right, in the operating system, right, you use command line, you use ls. Later on, you have the chance to do the try ls to print the list of the file in the directory. Directory is the folders that store your files from default. So ls will list them now. pwd is to print the current directory. pwd means print working directory. So to show where are you, right? Then cd is change change main files, make directory, directory creation, RM, EIR is directory removal, MV, move file or rename file, RM is delete file, change mode, this is the permission of the file. I talk about more permission. I print the list of file, create and display the content. Grab, so search for line, and then alias is the shortcut command. I show tab and man. So, anyone has any questions? So let's go to listing file. So listing file is a list in the directory. So default is the current directory. Later I will show you. So default behavior. So default, if you don't specify any option, right? It will show you the default behavior. You will list by the alpha numeric order, and all begin with dot are not printed. So all begin with dot is a hidden file for those who need to deal with Unix, right? So command is ls minus l. So we list the name of the file and directory. Minus A list all the heap including the email file. ls dot star also list hidden file. Dot one list one line per file. All of this right here. When you try it, then get more understanding. Okay. For examples, right, here PWD is a show working directory. In fact, you can start the terminal. Why don't you guys start the terminal? Log into the terminal. Yeah, in the terminal. Anyone need help that know it? You do a CD. And then you do a PWT to show whether it's in your home. It should be showing your home, right? And your username is a PD user, etc. Right? User 01, user 02, following your number just now. And I think right now you do not have this menu. This is your lab exercise later. So ls minus l is a long listing. So it displays all information. So here you can share what are the permission, who own it, what's the group, the date, and the file name or folder name. So when mix minus al, then you will be able to see the hidden file. This is one hidden file. It's a directory. Top is the current working directory. Double dot is the one upper directory. So I explain it here listed out, showing the characteristic attribute of your folder. Each of these meaning the permissions. So the permission here is the ownership, and this is the size, and this date is the last communication date. Question? Okay. Current directory, print the absolute part of the current directory before login. So each user, when log in, is default to your home. You have a person directory, which is called home directory. When you print this, it will show the home directory. For example, mine is a /home. I have a specific username. For you guys, because you log in user01, then you show home/user01, 02, etc. So everyone are able to show the home directory, or anyone else not been able to do that. So the directory, this is a structure. You can, under a home, you can create directory. Just like I showed, there are some one create directory that can create file. For example, here I show EW, create my working directory. I change directory to left because I have left. I go to here, then I show directory. I click it, then it show this is my working directory. And the next command here, from here I can cd to full directory directly below. And this command, I'm in left Unix directory, I cd 2 level up, I back to my home directory. And this is a file copy command. So the syntax, right, is copy source to destination. Option U-R is recursive. So it recursive copy everything under that source to the destination. Example here, I'm at Unix 10. LL here I should have is an alias. I already alias to ls minus al. So I release the folder under the left, and I can copy left 2 to left 1. And I do a left 1, I can see the same content. So far so good.
So in the copy basically means copy everything to the directory.
Copy everything from the source recursively, everything underneath.
Basically meaning like every single line.
Yes. Everything under that folder, right? If you copy your source is a folder name, that means everything under that folder. If the folder have other folder, it will recursive copy that folder, the files in that folder as well. Good question. here, let's say this one I want to remove it. RM or text. Then when I release it, file will be deleted. You cannot undo, right? So to delete the directory, you must use the recursive option -r or -f. So, and you can, if the command you forgot, right, you can do a help on that command or do a MBN later. So, be careful when using this, using the -r. Because you remove everything underneath, so you do not know what files you remove, right? You cannot be undone. So this is creating and deleting directory. So creating using the mkdir directory. So create folder. Example here, you can specify directory 1, subdirectory 1, subdirectory 1, and you create for yourself immediately. You can follow under lab 1, Unix lab 1, Unix lab 1, list down, you have one folder and 2 text files. I make a test directory, I do a test list out. Now I see the new test directory. You can note the color of folder is different. So, and this command is the remove directory. Right? Example, I have the lab 1 here. I list out what are the content under that folder. I have 2 folder and 2 text files. I want to remove. I remove this directory and I do a listing. Now the test directory is removed. Simple, right? I think it's very straightforward. Okay, now about the reason. Sometimes, okay, Linux is multi-user because multi-user, right? So you need the permission to protect your file against other users. So the other user not accidentally remove your file that you do not know, right? So because that folder, as long as you know the folder, you can change to that folder if they allow you to view it, right, or add it. So there are way to control. Read, write, execute. So it's in a binary format, right? So this is considered bit 0, bit 1, and bit 2. Bit 2, which is binary form, right? If I turn on 1, then it's readable. So, and it breaks up into 3 fields: user, group, and others. So user is the who only that file or folder. Right? Example here, for here, right? The lab 2, the use is a directory, right? The first letter is directory. So we see here, this is a read, write, execute. So the user have all the permissions, can read, can write, and can execute. If the file is a command file, right, can be executed. Then the second group, right? You can see the group here only read dash. There's no write. That means if if all of you belong to one group, right? That this permission will apply to that file or that file to you. That means you can read. If you are belong to that group, you can read, but you cannot write it. So you can control that, and only the user can change the permission. And the last one is others. So others typically we don't open up all of them. So far, any clarification?
So I want to ask why the command is CH1755. What is meaning by 755?
Okay, here, right? I can see my lab 2, right? Is read, write, execute 0, right? There's no execute. Then R dash. So okay, if you convert this 3 bit to become binary, read, write, there's been 110. What is 110? 6, right? And R00, 4, right? So this means this permission started is 644. Follow? Let 5644. Let's say now I change to 755. 7 is what? 111. 5 is 101. 101. Then you see after I change, I list out, it become 7 101 101. So far, okay. And let's honest. Okay. Follow, right? Any questions? Anish? Let's say, okay, I ask this question. I want my group, right? I want to change my group for the lab 2. I want to change my group to cannot read and cannot write, cannot execute. So what is the command that I want to use?
The user still the same.
Let's say it's still the same one.
705.
Correct. Nice. You follow?
I think you should write down what the bits and how each bit becomes what number.
Okay, 7. This is decimal, right? In binary, what is the binary? There's a bit 2, bit 1, bit 2. Now, this was binary. What is the binary number that represents the decimal 7?
111.
Yeah, 1111. Because this is 1 mark, this one is 2 mark, right? This one is 4. 4 plus, then equals 7, right?
Maybe you should angle it because people all the time.
Thank you. Okay. So this of the field, right? 1 to 4 represent for each field, right? So let's say okay, now okay, let's do this. Read, write. So what is this? Let's see now. Read, write, dash, read, dash, 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 dash. 640. Okay, good. Yeah. This is 6, all right? This is 4, this is 0. still have any things to ask?
So if you want to like change position, then you just write chmod and rw blah blah, and then you change positions.
Say repeat your question again.
If we want to change permissions, right? So we write chmod 640.
Yeah. Yeah, you just issue the command like this. The intention of your mode, right? And that's file name or folder name that you want to change. So the binary number is very key important for digital logic in the digital electronics. Moving file. So okay. So moving file is the syntax is MV, then your source and destination. So this is okay. Moving file also a way to rename the file. So you want to rename file 1 to become file 2. Just issue this command. So this one moving file, move my file.txt in the home directory to a dot. It's to the current directory. So your current directory may be not in program, right? Maybe in some other working directory. You can specify. You do not have to go to that folder. You can specify the path of the file name, then you issue this command, then you basically copy that file to your current folder. So this is rename your folder directory. So here are an example. I have left 1, left 6 here. Let's say I'm in this current directory, it means like left. Then I list the file. I have these 2 files, text 1, text 2. Now I move text 2 to left 1. Then I list out. So this is my left 1. Then I list that out. Right? I can see, okay, my left 2 already copied inside the left 1 folder. You can see under the Unix directory, the left 2 no more. It's moved forward, not sorry. So possibly so this is searching file option. So file with the option and the name. So what name you want to search for? Right. Let's say I want to look for the name lab from the lab 2, right? I'm here. This folder labs. Then it lists down, okay, my lab 2 is currently under lab 1. So if you don't specify it, right, then it lists out everything, all instructions. So creating file and display the file content. So okay, just now I showed in one of the pages by creating the file. Cat is can display the file. They can also create the file. If the file is not already exists, it will create the file. Right. So cat one greater than sign is a piping. So basically you send and everything from here to the file name. So okay, you can write down this command for creating files and how it does. Please add to a text 0.text, right? You can try right now in the terminals. Let's maybe try this. So go to your home directory first, right? You do a tag greater than text 0.text. Then you type. Then you will not see another the prompt, right? Your prompt listed here, and there's nothing next to it. Then you type hello, three exclamation mark. So what is the functions of the control D? Control D, yeah. So you try this. You type this, right? Then you type hello. Then you type control D to exit from the command. Then control C is kill something. Control D is for this case, right? If you control C, then you kill the access. After you type this one, then you type follow with the control key. Then this prompt will come back again, right? Whatever this prompt. I'm not sure whether your prompt is the same. release you to this on that. Yeah. So let me cover so hold on, I'll let you guys continue to let later. So this one done, alright? So grab, okay, grab, you have options. What are the options? Then what do you want to grab? And then from where you want to grab. So grab is like searching some things from your folder or from your files. Let's say I want to search a keyword from a file, I use grab. And syntax is like this. Let's say just now I create my file ABC one, right? Let's say ABC, I type a hello in there. I do a grab hello. Then it will display well. Let's say you do a grab hello. You follow the case sensitive first. You type H capital, then you, let's say you for Visa you type hello in capital H, right? You do a grab hello, then the file name, and you will get back whatever text in that file name. And right, I move on to the next one. Later you can try any question you can ask me. So alias, this is created a shortcut command, right? Shortcut, by shortcut. Your alias, the new name that you want to assign, any name you can think of that you can remember, right? Let's say I use LL as a so the name have to be different from the Unix command, right? So, and then equal to command. So this is to make the shortcut, this is to undo the shortcut. So I can, this is long list, but I want to alias LL equal to LS minus AL. Otherwise, I have to type LS minus AL, right? So now I can just type LL. And this is to show how I undo the alias. So if you, okay.
For alias, you have a limit on how many alias you can make?
So far, there's no, I haven't find any limit yet.
So right, can we list out our alias if we have like a list of alias that we make?
You can, you mean?
You like, let's say I do like few alias, LL and then maybe LB and something.
Yes.
How do I list out the alias?
Oh,
like seeing that.
in fact, if you like, as the command prompt, you list out all alias.
I want to ask if let's say that the alias is already existing, and then you make another command like alias and then you go to another command. So it will override or
We will override the existing alias. And then this is the command to find help on the command. The Unix command you're not familiar, what are the options to use? You use man. Let's say the ls, you forgot. What are the options? You can man, ls, you can try right now. Your terminal man, any command that, let's say man grab. Man space grab, enter. Long list, right? maybe I leave this. So exercise number 1. Follow this. Create a folder following structure under your home directory. Print the folder tree out. Maybe you will have to print first. You create this first, and the text 1, text 2 have to put under here. So I give you any questions on this exercise. I give you 10 minutes until 11. Maybe I give you until 11:40. That's right. Create the same folder structure. But maybe you are new as a user, the footprint. So, three of your grams. And the same meeting. Yeah, because we are same. So we cannot.
It's 9:30. It can and sorry.
So, then you can go off. You will come here or at least you have to come up with them. But you
because we also have our projects on hand. We cannot like totally we cannot do the what
I check with it, but I think it's not that it's not that's fine. You live in nearby, right?
yeah. That's the language.
Yeah, everyone. So use the 2 and 3. Excellent. good. I appreciate your time. Very good. So I hope that you also can continue your time. So okay, before I start the class, don't worry about the lab exercise. I will count, I think, back to what are the solutions. I saw some of you also I think completed nicely. So for those who have yet completed, later to show the result, and then I will send out I still need to look up where you get the copy. Then the file will include the solution as well. Right. Okay. But before we start, I like to have some ice cream. Right. Afternoon, I think it's difficult for you guys to stay awake, right?
Yeah.
After lunch, right? We will have break time, don't worry. But I think no tea time so far, right? I don't think we avoid tea time coffee, but okay. I'm not sure whether the cafeteria will open, but there are many machines to get some coffee. But okay. Okay, let's do some stand up. Let's do So next down. Okay, up.
3, 2, 1, 3. Round 7. Stop. Workout complete.
Okay, very good, everyone. So tell your friends next tomorrow we do something new. So your friend, ask your friend, do you like this? Nice to know. Okay, so exercise one, ask you to do this, right? I think everyone able to do it, no problem, right? Very good. Okay, this is solution. Right, this I can present to you as well. Okay, then exercise two. This is a copy folder, left one into current folder, name it left one copy. Move all the file in the left one copy and paste it to current folder. So remember where is your current folder? It's left two. Right? So all the file will have to move up to left two. Then change the text to rename it. So you use the rename, right? You have copy, you have use the command copy and rename it and remove. So then you remove the folder, remove file, remove folder, right? Okay. So these are the solutions, right? You have done so, right? You will end up, you have to create the lab 2, then underneath lab 2, you have a file name called text3, right? So your lab 1 have text1, text2, lab 2 have text3. And the file have the sequences of capital and no capitals somewhere. find command to look for search the text files, search for files, because you have already created 6 folders, right? There are two folders already with some text files. So means the left one and left two, right? So this is ask you to use the find command, how to use the find command. And then using ref search the content keyword in the text file. Ignore case and without ignoring the case. So 3 steps. So this everyone can be able to do this. So okay, find first you should be in the directory, right? Then you type this find dot. So upward dot means go up 1 folder up and search for name of text. So double quote of text, right? And when you do type this command, it lists out all the files in the search folder with the full path. You should get this. So, anyone have question, clarification? All good? Then this one, minus I is the ignore case. The star.stars is all the folder, right? This one output the display the terminal. This one back to the graph of text. The excellent the greater sign. Any question? Any? Case study, okay. So maybe I so this is okay.
Why did you change from slash dot to copy to the text?
Which one? This one?
When you have yes, you have star slash star and then becomes star dot star. Why is that?
Wait, maybe it's typo one.
Star.
No, the typo is
Oh, okay.
the star understand the usage for this. Means anything star that's asterisk, right? Anything that match, regardless of how many characters, right? And with the dot must match, right? Like this one, put a slash. If you want the file with a dot, there's at least one dot match. This is look for, so one folder up, left, the parent of left 3, which is under Unix. Then look for all of them. Okay. Here, any question? Otherwise, I move to next. Unix command. Okay, VIM or VI is a text editor in Unix that has it's a very efficient and powerful tools, right, that use in the physical design. Yeah. So there are two modes of the VIM. In your command line, you type VIM, you will get into command mode. Then the other mode is insert mode. Command mode, okay. To switch between the two modes, right? To start the VIM editor, you type VIM, the file name. If you don't put the file name, then there's no file name assigned. Then before you exit, you want to save to a file name, then you have to tell what file name you want to save to. Right? Otherwise, it will ask you what file name to save. So command mode to suit in command mode, right? You will be allowed to move around, moving around, or other editing tasks, search and replace. So switching between these two, right? In command mode is you type I, switch back, switch to insert mode. And escape, go back to command mode. So if you look at your screen, right? When you are in the insert mode, then you can compose the content, or you can write back the message, right? Type text. It's a text editor. Like these are the text. So when you are insert mode, here show you insert mode. Command mode, then you can use the to move around. So okay, you can okay, in command mode, colon W is save the file, but keep it open. Colon Q is quick without saving. column WQ is set, file, and quick. And then this column tab is VNA tab. So maybe I pause. So up to now, I think who has used VIM or VI before? So those. Okay, good. So this is nothing new. So in command mode, move the cursor. Right. H is left, A down, A up, L right. And line moving, you want to move faster, right? This upper angle will begin go up to beginning of the current line of the line. Dollar sign go to the end of the line. So you have to experience this by generating final. This is word meaning. So you want to move one word by one word, right? B is backward one word by one word. Okay. So there are special moving GE beginning of file, capital G to the end, dollar, and dollar, go to percentage of the file. Let's say your file is very big, right? Let's say you want to go to 50%, but 50%. So command mode, delete text expresses. So it will delete text. Then undo is to use. For these three, these are search, copy, and paste. So back is the / search. Let's say if someone search something. For example, here, let's say here over here, search for NI. So you list down all the NI highlighted. In command mode, you will see your insert here. And more complex command. This command is doing the search for old text and replace with the new stack. And G is globally. And this is from line N to line capital N. You search for old, replace with new global. You can tell, okay, so you don't have to edit one by one. You can specify it. Because this, when you deal with a lot of, let's say, report, right? These are very useful command for you to have increase your productivity. Okay, so far so good. Any question, any clarification? Okay, here are some examples. Okay, if I in command mode, I type column V vertical split. I can split the editor to side by side, vertical. this is split horizontal. So the file is called Gen1PL. So command to split. So if you want to compare, sometimes you want to compare two files, this is the best split. But the split first, then you open up the other file. Okay, here summarize the editor command. So, yeah, you see command vi how many vi minus r open with only mode. Double colon Q exclamation mark is a quick file without saving. Like this one. You have this one. Insert text for cursor at the beginning of runtime. So you use small letter O or capital O, open a new line below or after the current line. Small letter in open below. So we'll add a new line below the current line that your cursor at. And move to the next level position, search when you do a search, and we move capital and the search in the opposite. You can set the line, show the number, the string, delete word. So I will not go through all this. I'll give you this. Okay, let's do some exercise. Okay, this is some exercise for example. Recording mode. This enter the QN. Show you the recording aspect. You can try following. Okay, open your AI, VIF. Maybe you start with the test.v, right? Edit public test.v. Then you start typing this input EQ exactly like this. So far okay. Just step one, just pull up here. Then press QN to enter the recording and stop here. I want to see here. Because this DQ1 is not you type in one. DQ1 you need to use this command. So you first do that first. Up to you.
So what is meant by recording?
Mean I record all the keystroke. Because I want, later on, I want to repeat that message 200 times. I don't have to type 200 times. I just type, okay, repeat. Like after I log at the top series of keystroke, I ask repeat this, they will repeat. Because I increase this, right? From DQ0, DQ1, say I have 256. You can type one, right? I have a much faster way for you to complete this. Yeah. This is using the recording mode. Okay, everyone okay? Okay, up to the step one. You are up to and show the recording mode. QN. That's recording mode. That is it. Because then step 2 is copy. Copy, paste, and increase the number. Copy, paste, right, is YY is yank. It will remove the current line. Then you type P, you paste back. Then you control A, you increase by 1. Yeah? But you are using the recording. Okay, good, right? Yeah. YY is will yank colors, that means your line, your cursor must be the first line, right? YY, you should be control, then you paste back, then the equal DQ0 will appear. Then you control A, you increase by 1. So that now you're still recording, otherwise the little. This first line, right? You have to type put dash DQ0 comma.
The first line.
Okay, ready to move to the next? Yeah. So now, okay, exit the recording room. Right? If you not successfully done, then you have to redo again. Right? You have to exit, and here also, and no more, but then the text file still is different, right? You are still in comma mode. Then, if once you did this, right, you want to automate the number, right? Instead of you type like this, right, then you repeat type this pi and n. Then it will automatically add all the pi line there. Let's say you have 1,000, you can increment the 1,000. You don't have to type one by one. Okay, so far okay. And anyone can successfully done up to here. Anyone complete up to the step 4? Now, remember the select responsive. Here I give example, I take 2.5, the recording 2.5 times. Let's say it's 200 times, 200, thank you. Okay. You may close this off without save or you try to start here your laptop to follow the step execution. Five and is tell the series of five because you done this one, now you are in second one, you have to go back to command mode. To start the recording, you have to be in command mode. That's why you press escape now, you go back to command mode. See, now it's ESC. Okay, now you are recording. Oh, you already recording mode. In fact, you should start the recording. Not enough. Start. So, in fact, the recording mode you only enter at the command mode. So you first insert the line, that line, then you do ESC to come out from the insert mode. Then only start recording mode from there. No, now don't record now. Escape. No, kill. Exit. So you are in command mode. Now you do an edit mode. Now insert mode. Okay. ESC. Back to command mode. See, now you look at it. Let's select okay, now then you repeat the yang paste and no. See, step 2, Wi-Fi 2. So step 2 is copy paste and increase the number. Okay, Wi-Fi is copy. So start Wi-Fi. Control A. Exactly like this one. Then step 3 is the Q, click the recording mode. So okay, step 3 is stop the recording mode. Then step 4 is to repeat the 5 times. Now you already know that step 5, only level 5 and 10. See you right color. No need Wi-Fi already. Just start 5 alias and so that's step 4. So your white that one copy to pay from A to then click you need to stop the recording. When time 5 to 5, alias and so you cannot insert other Wi-Fi whatever you think, right? After you stop the recording mode, you have to wait. You are still in recording mode, you have to stop the recording mode. And now you understand. So exactly you have to follow the step. You don't go back to okay, exercise 4. Continue from where you did. Do it until this. So 137 DQ. This is like signal, data signal 137. Exercise 4 also okay, right? Okay, Now exercise 5. Go to your left side folder. Create a file with the following content. So type one and do this task. For 10 minutes. So you set all this. You can see now. Cannot see.
Oh, I'm just kidding. Just lazy.
I later will use this file to do some exercise. try, I search. So this eight is a line, each line, each one. This is search fragment. Anyone start? Number one. Anyone want to share how you do this task number one? Maybe or want to try right now you carry it down.
Yes,
That's simple, right? Number two, who want to try? Thank you. Number three. Any volunteer? Really? But only want to change my tool. Okay, am I good try? Thank you. If you can change like this, it change everything. Right? It change everything, right? Not like this. Good, but I think encourage to try. Number 4. Copy line 1 piece to the end of our one will give a try. This one, number 4. How do you find you can use your way, but I can be Okay, for the last one, number 5, right? Among your teams, I think all each group will discuss what is the solution. Later, I think one team send one rep out to see what we will sample about 1, 2, 3 to see what are the methods to. We also can discuss among the group what are the for number 5. Thank you. For those that's all.
Percentage one say detail.
So number 5, discuss among your team, see which team is ready to share out the method. Discuss among 5 seconds. Want to share?
Give another 5 seconds.
Daniel, Zain, try to modify. Huh? Oh, still number 1. Number 1 should be simple one. Thank you.
Yes.
You try it. Work or not?
It works.
Okay, then and move to the next one. 6. Go to your left 6 folder. Make a script copy of the text file in the Unix folder into the current folder using C#. Then this is the script replace or synopsis. So you guys will be able to log into the lab PC to log in. Enable the log put on into the Unix environment. So folder structures, create folder, find the word search for replace, and make file and management command. And VI text editor, so what is so any aliases you guys tried or not? Aliases. For those that first time deal with Unix, we try alias. You can try shortcut. Create a shortcut so that you don't have to type the this command plus the option. Throughout the exercises, all of these command has been and I have more practices for I'm going to upload. I already have the file, just need to upload that to the so you guys can test it out. I think the more you practice, the more you get familiar with this, and then you learn you can immediately I think being able to call the command that you need to perform to execute the task. Then we cover the script. Right, script. There's some simple script search for file, look for keyword, replace with one keyword with another one. This is complete. I think this is the aliases and the files. I think you guys can practice more in the fact, if you want to install in your laptop, right, Unix terminal, if you cannot log in, right, you can Google search for WS Windows. You can install the Linux system on your Windows system. For this one, remote desktop should be in your Windows. Your Windows system should have a remote desktop. If not, then you have to download the desktop. Then the server name, I have to get it from PSGC to find out the server. Yes, from the server. Your system don't have current talk. So if you go back, right, if you what you can do, see whether you can start the remote desktop application first. Then bring up the over here, this is my personal laptop. See, I have a remote desktop. But this computer name I have to find out from the PSPC so that you can remove from. Then once you remove, you log into that machine and register. Here. I'm not sure whether it's I don't know I can access it, but right now it's over here. So I need to get the each computer the full part, then you can remove the exact the little desktop that you have. Then you can practice the Unix command VI. So back tonight, maybe you guys check this desktop connections whether you have that on your personal computer. If nothing else, then I think you guys can point the date tomorrow. The breakfast starts 8:30 at the same place, Nano Wave. Then 9 o'clock we start sharp. Right. So any questions? So tell your neighbor tomorrow we meet at 9.